Today we're going to look at what we call linguistic terminology. In other words, the names of things. Let's start here. Homograph. Well, a graph, something written. Homophone. Phone, spoken. Let's compare the two. They are written the same, but they may or may not sound the same. Bear and bear, lead, led, row, row. Phone. They sound the same, but they may or may not be written the same. Air, air. Night, night. Pair, pair. Homonym. This is a mixture of both. Bear and bear. The spelling is the same. The meaning is different. This one's an animal. This one is to carry. Spruce and spruce. The spelling is the same. The sound is the same, but the meaning is quite different. This is a tree. This means nice and clean. Chase and chase. Spelling is the same, and so is the sound. But the meaning, to chase, is to go after something. Chase has two meanings. It can mean either clean or place. So that words can look the same or spell the same, but still be different. Here's a nice easy one. Antonyms. Anto, opposite. Ugly, beautiful. What is the opposite of ugly? It is beautiful.
Topic of today's video. No, that's far too general. No, it's not that either. No, I already made a video on that one. Yes, that's it. Hello everyone, welcome to the Lang Focus channel, and my name is Paul. Today I'm going to talk about the Russian language. Why is Russian important? Well, Russian is one of the world's major languages. It is one of the 6 official languages of the United Nations, and it is the 8th most widely spoken language in the world, with around 155 million native speakers and around 260 million speakers in total if we include second language speakers. It's an official language in Russia, of course, but also in Belarus, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, and Kazakhstan. It is also an official language in 38 other unrecognized states, autonomous territories, and regions in Ukraine, Moldova, and Georgia, and also a few localities in Romania and the Russian Economic Zone in Spitsbergen in Norway. It is also widely spoken as a second language and a lingua franca throughout much of Central Asia, the Caucasus region, and in Eastern Europe, even in a lot of places where it is not an official language. That's why Russian is important. Russian is the most widely spoken language of the Slavic language family. Have a look at my video on the Slavic language family here to learn more about it in detail. But in brief, the Slavic languages are a branch of the Indo-European language family, and the beginning of the Slavic language branch traces back to a language called Proto-Slavic, which existed around 500 CE. Over the next few hundred years, Proto-Slavic split into 3 varieties: West Slavic, South Slavic, and East Slavic, which eventually diverged into branches of the Slavic language family containing numerous languages each.
Linguistics is the scientific study of language, specifically language form, language meaning, and language in context. Linguistics is that particular science which studies the origin, organization, nature, and development of language descriptively, historically, comparatively, explicitly, and formulates the general rules related to language. Now, let's discuss some of the branches of linguistics. General linguistics is a study of the phenomena, historical changes, and functions of language without restriction to a particular language or to a particular aspect of language, such as phonetics, grammar, and stylistics. Descriptive linguistics is the work of objectively analyzing and describing how language is actually used, or how it was used in the past, by a group of people in a speech community. It deals with a particular language in a specific time and in a specific community. Diachronic linguistics is also called historical linguistics. It is the scientific study of language change